Hi, I am Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to import the Hawaii demo in WpRentals theme. On this domain I have just installed the theme and the theme included plugins, and now I will need to activate the theme. Here I will need to add the license code from Theme Forest. I added my license code, and now I will press check license button and the theme is active. The theme supports SVG icons for features and amenities, and for those icons to be imported along with the demo content, you will need to install the SVG Support plugin. I will go to plugins. I have the plugin already installed. I will activate it and I will set it to apply only from admin. Next, I will import the Hawaii demo. I will go to WpRentals options, import demo. I will scroll down to look for the Hawaii demo. This is the one. I will press import demo, continue and import. And I will wait for the demo content to be imported. The process might take a few minutes. The demo was successfully imported. Now I will click Visit Site. The demo content was imported, and now I will need to make some manual adjustments for the demo elements to show as the official demo. For this section and for this one, we use category widget that will work with the listing categories, and for these categories the images will need to be manually uploaded in the theme. First, I will edit the home page with Elementor. On import, the categories IDs will be different. This is why you will need to check the widget and assign the categories that you want to display on front end. I will start with the first section. I will choose random categories. You can select only the ones that you wish to display on front end. I am done with this section. I will go to the next one. Here we use the WpRentals grids widget that will display elements from a category that you select here. I will leave category, and for this widget I will just need to upload the images for categories. I will save the changes made, and now I will go to admin and upload the images. The listing categories can be found under listings. They are categories, what do you rent, or types, city, neighborhood, features and amenities, and property status. I will start with categories, and now I will upload an image for the first category. I will click edit. I will click upload image. I will select an image from my device, press insert into post and update. I will go back to the list of categories and I will show another example. Press edit, press upload image, select an image from media or from your device, press insert into post and update. Since the steps are the same for any category used in the homepage widget, I will add the rest of the images of the record, and after I will show the result. I added all images. Now the sections show correctly. The next step is to go to theme options. Here you will be able to replace demo settings with your own. In general, booking settings, you will be able to set your preferences for bookings. You will be able to set booking type, per day, per hour, or mix. You will be able to select the advanced guest control and make other settings. In map, you will be able to decide on the map system that you will use. You can keep OpenStreet or select Google Maps. If Google Maps will be selected, then a Google Maps API key will need to be created and added in the theme. Next, in payments and submit, you will be able to set as booking payments, WooCommerce or the theme payments, PayPal, Stripe and wire transfer. Also, you will be able to set the booking payment options. And in search, you will be able to set the theme advanced search. For the demo to be complete, you will need to set permalinks. You will need to go to Settings, Permalinks. The permalinks needs to be set to post name. And now the demo is complete. Next, I will give some quick guidelines on how to edit the homepage content. The Hawaii homepage was created with Elementor, so you will be able to edit it only with Elementor. I have enabled Navigator, so I have better control over the page sections. So I will start with the first section, which is the page header. The image was added as background for the inner section, so you will need to select inner section, and after in style you will be able to remove the demo image and add your own. Also, you will be able to change the text, and the search was built with the search form builder, and you will be able to edit fields and change other settings. Next, you will have the section that I already described earlier. Here you will have the sliding box. You will be able to change the image and text. In the next section, we have the WpRentals recent items, which will display your latest listings, and you can also make settings and select categories and show or hide elements from the listing cards. We have created a section with Elementor widgets. Here you can edit and replace the SVG icons with your own, or you can add font awesome icons. Also, you can change the text. Next, we have the WpRental grids widget, and here you can change the category. Also, for testimonials, you will be able to change the images of your clients and the text. The last section is created with an image and a contact form. The text can be changed from the heading section. The image was added as column background image, and you can change it from style section. For the contact form, you will be able to edit the contact fields and add or remove the fields that you wish to display. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.